Alright guys, we're here. Another episode. Today we're joined with another Instagram famous model. This one slightly better looking than Ricky. Less famous, but better looking. So we got Sherry or Detail Biddy. So we're here today. Gonna see how far we can get. Definitely try and get all these stickers off. Definitely try and get the wing, the bumper, just get it more stripped down, more prepped. We're still deciding on a motor. A lot of options coming our way, but we'll leave that for another video. So we'll get going on this, see what we can get done today. Alright, so I heated this up like a dumbass. She figured out that one's matte. The rest are stickers, I promise. But yep, you can see the super shitty paint job that was on this thing. All stickers off, looking good. Now time to get some of these panels off. See what she looks like. Alright, she's pretty much all stripped down. Next time we'll be at it, we should be able to start sanding. It's looking good. Real happy so far, considering it's only been a few days since we've owned it and we already ruined it. Oh, that's a wrap. Gotta thank Miss Sherry. Follow her on the gram at Detail Biddy. We'll tag that in the comment thing. I don't know, bio, description, tag that, and we'll tag our other Instagram, Sherry. And then be sure, as always, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on the build. Bye.
Bye.